If your Nintendo Switch controller is not pairing, here's how to fix it. Start by making sure the controller is charged or has fresh batteries so it has enough power to connect to the console. Next, press the sync button on the controller and clip it close to the Switch console while trying to pair. Also, restart both the console and the controller to refresh the Bluetooth connection and clear any temporary glitches that might be blocking pairing. Then go to the system settings on the Switch, select controllers, and then try pairing the controller manually through the change grip or order option. Finally, test the controller by navigating the menus or launching a game to confirm all buttons and sticks are responding properly. For more Nintendo Switch tips, watch our next video on fixing Switch Joy-Con drifting issues.